Hey guys, in this video today we're going to troubleshoot the power seat parasitic battery drain issue on the Mercedes E-Class W211. Now Park Place Motors in Grapevine, Texas has attributed this power drain in this Mercedes to an alarm horn and the power seat. And they actually left the passenger seat unplugged after replacing the alarm horn. So we're going to troubleshoot the passenger seat, we're going to get it back and working and get rid of the power drain. Can you believe this actually cost this customer $975? So with that said, let's go ahead and fix this parasitic power drain. Today, we have these tools. We have this quick splice assortment. This is what we're going to use. We have these wire cutters, a wrench, and the key to the car. We'll start by unlocking the car and getting into the trunk. The whole point of this is we want to be able to get to the battery and disconnect it. So we're going to put this cover up, remove this intermediate cover right here, and right behind that we have that 12-volt large battery. First we will loosen this bolt with a wrench. This is the black negative cable. We're going to remove this negative cable from the battery. Put it aside, you don't want to make this touch the terminal. The passenger seat is the problem, so we're going to go into the passenger side and locate that connector that they disconnected. So we're going to lift the floor mat, get this all out of the way, then look under the seat. Well, for me, I didn't have to look far because the connector was right there. This 3-pin connector has a brown wire, a red-green constant wire, and a blue-black power wire for when the car is on. We'll cut the red and green and then use this splice to connect the red and green to the blue-black wire. We'll take the wire cutters and cut that red-green wire. Then we're going to cut it down even further. In the wire cutters, I cut the red-green wire. And now I'm going to splice that to the blue-black. So here is that blue splice connected. I have the red-green wire and the blue-black wire going into there. Then push the silver pin down and close the blue cover. And then add electrical tape for that constant power wire. So I ended up trying reconnecting it. It didn't work, so I ended up removing the blue splice and putting a yellow splice in its place, which the yellow splice is larger. To verify your connection, you can get a multimeter like this set to ohms, plug in the red and black probes into the blue and red wire, and then it's dropped from 1 to 0 as shown right here. Now that it's all good, I'm going to plug this connector back in. I understand that the blue splice is shown here, but the yellow splice is the one that ultimately worked. So just swap the blue color for a yellow one. Now we'll take this negative battery cable and connect it to that battery terminal. Tighten the bolt using a wrench. Then set your key to the on number 2 position as shown here. We'll test out everything works. So the power seat works in this case. So that's how you get your power seat working again and get rid of that parasitic power drain. That's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next video. Please drop a like if it helped you, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.